Hi guys and gals, this is Christopher Mosier from MyMediaHelper.com, and this time out what I want to talk about hashtags. And I had two friends this week ask me what hashtags were and how you use them. And I don't know, I guess I just took it for advantage that everyone knew what a hashtag was. I didn't realize people didn't know. They've been around and pretty standard for quite a while, but let me show you if you don't know what a hashtag is and how to use them. So here's one of my posting. Let me actually do my lessons. One of my lesson videos that I posted on my Facebook group page for MyMediaHelper.com, and here's all the hashtags here. So basically what a hashtag is just another way to anchor your material, either your website, your Facebook page, Twitter, or your YouTube channel. So for instance, these are my hashtags. If I go to MyMediaHelper.hashtags, you're going to see probably just my videos. Oh, well, that's interesting. There's someone else's on there. So probably just mine because that's my company. But let's go back. And if you anchor on another hashtag, let's go to WordPress. There's probably a gazillion of those on there. And you're just going to see a bunch of articles dealing with WordPress, or at least they were anchored as WordPress. And you go, oh, there's mine. Just go through and read different. Oh, mine again. Huh, that's interesting. Mine keep popping up. Oh, well, that's very cool. I like that. So that's basically it. If you go over to the search, so you can put in hashtag marketing. Then you'll have all these hashtags that you can look at. So I can hit on this marketing, and it's going to just give me a bunch of articles that deal with marketing that people have connected their material to. So it's basically just a grouping of a particular word. You can call it a keyword, I guess. Same over here. I mean, you can do the same thing here. So if I go hashtag my media helper, and it's got to just be my stuff. Well, basically, because that's the only person. I'm the only person that uses that hashtag, really. So if you can go to affiliate marketing, ooh, it's right there, and there's a bunch of affiliate marketers, and that's what they use their hashtag to. And another interesting thing for YouTube, which I watched another YouTube video, and this was a really, really cool tip, actually. So you can hashtag your YouTube videos, and the cool trick that I learned is you see right here. So the first 3 hashtags that you put in your YouTube will appear right here. You just can't have the location put in there, or the location will take it over. So for instance, if you put a location here, a video location, they're not going to show up. So just put none for video location. And then you can put your hashtags right here. And then the first 3 will show up right here. So that's my company. That's my kind of my motto, the helping hand, and that's my goal, leaving my job. Those are the 3. So every time I come to my videos, I can see these 3 things and what I'm aiming towards. So if you want to go ahead and make a hashtag, it's pretty easy. So say you're going to do a new post for Facebook, and then you can just put in marketing. And then as you can tell, as you start writing it, it's going to give you a lot of different ones that are used for marketing. So you can do that, and then go to the next one. You can do marketing again, and you can do, and so on and so forth. This is a hashtag video. It's probably going to be the only one that's under that. I wouldn't recommend that. I would recommend hashtags that people would be looking for. If you need help with your hashtags, come over here to all hashtags, and you can see I was already looking and poking around. I put in marketing, and it will generate a bunch of hashtags. You can even copy the hashtags, and just gives you a bunch of idea for marketing. So if you can put it in like affiliate or affiliate marketing, something of that nature, that generate. And of course, I'll have this link below in the description. So just give you a bunch of hashtag ideas for affiliate marketing. They're down here too. Okay, guys and gals, that's your tip. Like I said, I didn't know anyone didn't know what a hashtag was, but maybe there's a lot of people that don't. So I hope that was helpful. If it was, please like, subscribe, or share below, and I will catch you later. Bye-bye.